Lecture 3E, Overview of Antivirus and Anti-Malware Software. Viruses and malware are both malicious programs designed to cause harm, but they are not the same thing. Malware is a broad term that refers to any malicious software, including viruses, designed to harm or exploit any computing device or network. Virus, on the other hand, is a specific type of malware. It's a malicious program or piece of code which is loaded onto your computer without your knowledge and runs against your wishes. Viruses can also replicate themselves and spread to other computers by attaching themselves to various programs and executing code when a user launches one of those infected programs. Antivirus is software that is designed to detect, protect against, and remove malware on a computer or mobile device. Originally, it was created to protect against computer viruses, but now it's more of a general term to describe software that uses a combination of advanced technologies to protect against a variety of threats, including ransomware, spyware, and even never-before-seen zero-day attacks. Early antivirus programs would compare software file signatures against a list of known viruses to see if they matched, and if so, block them. Today, cybersecurity companies like Malwarebytes employ several different methods to detect, block, or remove malware from a device. The terms antivirus and anti-malware are often used interchangeably to refer to cybersecurity software that blocks viruses and other types of malwares from computers and mobile devices. The term antivirus refers to computer viruses that were early online threats, and anti-malware refers to the term malware, which is an umbrella term for any kind of malicious software, including viruses. Anti-malware is intended to be a broader description than antivirus, but antivirus has broadened in common usage to describe the same type of software. Both antivirus and anti-malware typically detect and block threats and remove any threats that make it onto a device. Both of these terms fall under the broader term cybersecurity. Early online antiviruses were reactive. They could only detect infections after they took place. Moreover, the first antivirus programs identified viruses by the relatively primitive technique of looking for their signature characteristics. Why do I need antivirus for my computer? Viruses are just one kind of malware. There are other forms of malware that are more common these days, and antivirus software is designed to defend against these. Here are just a few of today's online threats: adware, spyware, keylogger, computer virus, worms, Trojan, ransomware, rootkit. How does anti-malware work? The original method of signature-based threat detection is effective to a degree, but modern antivirus and anti-malware technology uses additional methods that look for malicious behavior in different ways. This can include analyzing a program's structure, behavior, origin, and other characteristics that help determine if it's safe or not. This newer, more effective cybersecurity technology is called heuristic analysis. Heuristics is a term researchers coined for a strategy that detects threats by analyzing the program's structure, its behavior, and other attributes. Each time a heuristic anti-malware program scans an executable file, it scrutinizes the program's overall structure, programming logic, and data. All the while, it looks for things like unusual instructions or junk code. In this way, it assesses the likelihood that the program contains malware. What's more, a big plus for heuristics is its ability to detect malware in files and boot records before the malware has a chance to run and infect your computer. In other words, heuristics-enabled anti-malware is proactive, not reactive. Some anti-malware products can also run the suspected malware in a sandbox, which is a controlled environment in which the security software can determine whether a program is safe to deploy or not. Running malware in a sandbox lets the anti-malware look at what the software does, the actions it performs, and whether it tries to hide itself or compromise your computer.